So we've got a Nissan NP300 with approximately 20,000 kilometres on it. Just going to drain the catch can. So this will be the third time that it's been drained in that 20,000 Ks. So we've got the drain hose down under the vehicle here. Just loosen him off. See that black mess coming out of it. So it's quite a lot in there. So this is what would normally be going into the intake of the vehicle and causing that black mess to block up the intake. You can see here, look at the tray, all the oil has run into. That's quite a lot for the approximately 5,000 kilometres that it's done since it was last drained.